Hi, this is Ram. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
uh,
Okay. So we need to create a trigger, and the trigger trigger name is before insert. Suppose so we are in contact object, we are in before insert trigger in the same contact object. We wanted to check existing contact data, right? So so how do we access the current object data or different object data? So we have new view. So we will take this new view. So that's the basic uh, example for new view, right? So I'll just copy this. Now we just need to change the API names, etc. So for that, you can go to uh, new view and insert. Okay, from here also you can get the API name for contact. So the API name is person profile. So we will copy this and we'll just use this here. Okay. So now we need to find the duplicates, right? So for that, matching criteria will be what? So that's what we need to define now in criteria. So so basically we will take 2-3 fields. If you go to fields and we'll take first name, last name. Okay. We'll take first name as one of the first parameter. And for this person first name, we are giving the current record, whatever record we are going to create, right? So uh, for that record API record value we are going to give. So to give that, we just need to give uh, the API name without quotes. So if we give without quotes, it will take the current record value. If you give uh, quotes, it will be considered as string. So make sure whenever you are using this ensure criteria, you are giving the value in quotes. In value, if it is a hard code value, you need to give within quotes. If it is a dynamic value, you need to give without quotes. So same way, I'm opening another filter that is for second item, and it will be last name. So like this, you can include email, phone number, etc. So for now, I'll just take to these two fields. Now here, if I just put like this, so this will be considered uh, the person last name value will be always with a string person last name. So it will not give the actual value of person last name. So for that, we need to remove this quotes. And now query will execute with this criteria. And if it has a result, right? So then it will go inside. So that means if it is going to if or while loop, even if it is while loop, at least one record. If it is there, it will go to while if loop or while loop. Then it will execute this. Okay. Maybe we'll throw some error. And we will say, okay. So now our expectation is in person profile with this, if the person name and person last name, first name, last name is entered same, then system should throw the error that this contact is already available. You don't need to create. Okay. So now we'll check whether it will work or not. We will see. So now we'll go to contact. So we will create first one contact. Okay. So this is the first name and this is the last name. Demo contact one. So I'm trying to create with this name. Now for the first time, it should create. It should create without any error. Okay. And we don't have any other contact with the same, but it is still throwing error that this contact is already available in the system. Okay. The reason for this is it is taking current record into the into that if loop. Okay. So because of that, it is always going into that loop and it is trying to show this error. So to avoid this, right, we should exclude the current record into duplicate check, right? Uh, so other than the creating record, so whatever is the records, so we need to check from those. So to do that, you need to go to script and you need to add one more criteria to not consider the current record. So for that, you will add one more criteria, criteria 3, and the key will be party ID, right? So for contact, it is party ID. So we need to exclude this party ID. If party ID is not equal to current party ID, so then this whatever we are going to create, that party ID will be removed from the list. So then it will check for only for other records. Now we'll try to execute. Now it should allow. for the first time. And next time, right, if I try to create a same record, it shouldn't allow. See, now it is taking, it is considering current record, it is excluding, but still with the same first name and last name, we have another record. So it is throwing this contact is already available in the system. So like this, we can use newView for to access current object or other objects as well.